We can't talk about Black History Month without talking about Alvin Ailey and the entire Ailey organization.
This month, Ailey is celebrating 100 years of Black History Month with performances, workshops, and events.
Yes, this morning, Ailey Extension instructor Pilin Anice is joining us with a preview of her line dance workshop to get us ready for our next event. It's wonderful to see you.
I'm so happy to be here.
I have to say, I follow the Instagram account. You guys are hysterical. I mean, you're gifted and beautiful dancers.
Yes.
But it's pretty funny, some of the stuff you do.
Yes,
so thank you for thank you for providing me with some entertainment when I need it.
Absolutely. That's what we're here for.
So line dance is just one of the many different types of dancing in classes, right?
Yes. So line dancing, of course, is a part of Black History Month. We're going to be doing workshops not just at the Ailey Extension, but also at the Whitney Museum, free on Fridays.
Awesome.
You can come and do every Friday for a free class. It could be swing dance, doing line dance. We're doing African dance, West African dance, and as well as social dances.
I've done West African dance before.
Yeah.
And it's a long time ago.
Okay.
Nailed it.
Yes,
did you really?
Nailed it.
You were rooted in the ground?
I did it, yep.
Yes.
They were very impressed.
I actually believe this.
Yeah, you should. It happened.
Okay. Can we talk about line dancing?
Yeah.
What do we talk about? What do we mean when we talk about line dancing?
Yeah, so of course line dance isn't exclusive to Black culture, but it does have, synchronized dance has very deep roots in the Black African diaspora.
Okay.
And line dance, or you can think of it as a form of resistance. It's a way of showing joy, connecting, building community. And it's just a synchronized dance, some steps, usually in between 2 to 4 counts of dance, of 8 counts or 2, 3 counts. We talked about that.
Of course.
And you're doing it over and over again, and people know them, they're familiar. And you can think about the cha-cha slide, the electric slide, of course. Everyone knows that one.
Yeah.
And then this summer we saw the viral hit Boots on the Ground. Did you all remember that moment with the fans? So we have, you know Ben, you saw it?
I'm not cool.
He's not,
Okay,
he doesn't know
okay,
anything pre...
Electric slide.
Okay, electric slide though. All right, I'm with you with that.
Anything I could have DJ'd in
good.
1995, that's what I know.
All right,
It's very
perfect.
sad.
Okay.
The best time to be alive.
It was a good
time to
Will
be
you
alive.
show us some moves, please?
I will absolutely do that.
I'm going to shimmy behind
Perfect,
you so that
yes.
you can be in the middle.
So I'm going to show you one that's actually, you can think of this as a dance that you can do to any song.
also gonna take
so
off my
some of the
shoes.
dances are specific to a song. This is one, and it's from Detroit. So I'm from Flint, Michigan, and this is a dance I've been doing my whole life.
My wife worked
You can
in
do
Flint,
that.
Michigan
Get
for a
out of
while.
here.
Yeah.
All right. So for this one, listen closely. So you can think of it as a step, it's three triple steps. Yes?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
So we're going to come up on the right step, on the right. So you're going to step up right, 2, 3. Up on the left, back. Now back, 2,
You gotta
3.
take this over.
Oh, come on, Ben. We got it. Let's start over. Let's start over. Ready? That was the first step. Ready? Try again. So up, right, 2, step on the left.
So it's like a rock step.
Yep. And then step back on the left, 2, step back on the right. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it. First part. Got it?
Rock,
We're ready for
okay.
that part? So
Yeah.
step up. Right,
2,
2,
3,
and left. Groove it up. Step back.
Own it.
2,
Work
3.
it.
Step on the right. Yes.
Groovy.
Now here comes the part. Don't worry. This is going to get confusing, but it's not.
That's already confusing.
Again, a triple step. Here you go. You got up, 2, 3. We're going to step back on the left.
Oh, gee whiz.
Ooh, look at you doing. Step
Yeah.
on the left, and then step on the back on the right. There you go. And now we're done. Then we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We start over. 1, 2, 3. Step up left. Go back.
Don't focus
2,
on me.
3. Step back. Yes. And then step up.
You don't have a beginner move?
This is a beginner. We got
And
it.
you're doing it in like heels.
I know. Come on. Try again. So you all, we can try one more time.
Yes,
You got it.
please.
You got it. One more time.
to be
Remember,
in
here we go,
a
Ben.
heel.
Up, 2, 3, step. Up. Yes. And step back left. And then step back right. Yes. Yes. Now step up on the right. Right. Now step back on the left. Back left. Now step left. Left. 2, 3. Step back. Right. Hey, you did it. And then we go 1, 2, and we just kind of groove it out, and then you do it again. Same thing. Up, 2, 3. Step left. Step back left. And right. Yes. And right. 2, 3. Step back left. Left. And then step back left. Yes, you got it. I know.
I feel like
And that's
I'm
how we do
distracted
it.
with my
Now,
hands.
okay,
No one
that's how
will
you
notice
groove it
my
too.
feet.
All right. Now we're doing the class, y'all. We're gonna break every step down, nice and slow.
Okay.
Okay, so don't worry.
Yeah.
When you come to class, we're gonna get it. It's live TV, so
It's live
different.
TV.
It's different here, but we're gonna get it.
I remember
Yeah,
that
but you can do
move.
a little step, right? And the great thing about line dancing, y'all, is you can get your own little flair
Your
into
own
it,
little thing.
with your own little groove,
Kick.
and it's all right. You're just getting into the vibes, connecting to the joy. All right?
Doing electric slide.
Yes.
2, 3, back, and then you get a little bit of this.
All of it. So how do we do?
I did terrible.
Yes?
You did very well.
I think you did. I think you did all right.
I'm watching the instructor.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Very cool.
My pleasure. Thank
were
you
a
for
lot
being
cooler
here.
today. You were fantastic.
She's you almost walked off. For more information, head over to ailey.org. You said there are also classes, free classes at the Whitney.
Yes, free classes at the Whitney every
Fridays.
Friday. Yep, Friday p.m.
Take us to Ellie. My kids took a breakdancing class. They loved it. I mean, it's the best. It's
It is.
iconic and
It
amazing.
truly is.
Coming up next.